Welcome to a day in my life as a nursing student. I spent the morning at the hospital trying to gather my thoughts and also do some studying. Unfortunately, studying was not successful. After trying to study, I ended up having conversation, eating jollof rice and goat meat. Then I changed into my uniform, and this is me trying to wake myself up and get ready for the night. It is now approximately 4:07 and I have class. I've been at the hospital all day and I have to go now. Once I arrived on campus, I went straight to the library because I knew I had no time to waste. I started taking notes using the professor's PowerPoints and referencing it from my textbook when I needed to. After the library, I went to class, then we had a break. During this break, we discussed our emotions and how we felt during the assignments, which were really complicated. This is me in the simulation lab practicing my practical skills. During clinicals, my classmates, they corrected me on my errors. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, guys, that's all. Thanks for stopping by.